Hello, good morning. Myself Anuj Sunil Patil and my partner name is Shreesh Rangnikar. My roll number is B19F06F052 and Shreesh roll number is B19F06F056. This is our project library management system and we have done this project in ASP.NET using C Sharp as well as HTML, CSS and JavaScript also is used for designing purpose. Now we will run this project library management system. Now this is the first, that is master page for our project, that is the login area where we have two modules such as librarian and student. Now first we will enter in the librarian module, that is for librarian we will type username as well as password, which is admin. Now we have entered into the librarian module. Now there are different types of modules in librarian where we can do different activities such as adding publication, adding book, viewing the book report, adding branch, etc. Now we will first start with the adding publication. As we see that here we have added one publication, that is chain publication. Now we will add McGraw Hill also. McGraw Hill. Now it will show that publication inserted. Now we will, next module is adding a book. Now we will give book as software engineering. In software engineering the details we will give, that is software. Now author will be Jane. Now we will select publication, that is McGraw Hill we will select, and then we will select branch as IT. Price for we will set, that is 1000 rupees, 1700, sorry. Quantity 10 we will have. Now we will choose a book photo, something like this. Okay, now it is showing that book added successfully. Now we will go to the book report. We can view the book report. These are the books we have added previously and this is showing its book report. Now we can view book report by publications also. So this is the software engineering book we have added previously. We can view also it, we can view it. Okay, this is, now we can add branch also. We have only one branch up till now. Now we will add CSE and this will show that we have added a CSE branch. Now we can add a student, means this is only admin can add the student according to his. Now we will add student Anuj Patil. The branch for the student will be IT. May, now birth date, okay. Mobile number always should be 10 digit, otherwise it will show a question mark. Now address, photo would be, this one would be a photo. Now mail ID, this mail ID will be user ID, so we have to keep it properly. Okay, now password firstly librarian will assign the password, then a student can change it in the student module. Now student added successfully is shown here. Now we will issue a book to Anuj as, so McGraw Hill software engineer, select. Here we will select a branch and student to whom we have to issue a book for how many days. We will select 3 days, and book issued to Anuj Patil is shown here. Now issue report, we can see the issue report also here. Yes, we have uh, given book to Anuj for 3 days. Now we will log out from here. Now we will move into the student lobby, student, where student can access it with the password assigned by the librarian. Then here he can go inside, and now he can view his account, edit his account, that is his phone number and all address things. He can change password also here. So we will change password for the user. New password we will set as 123456, and again confirm password. Now it will show that password has been changed successfully. We can view his report. Student can view his borrow book list is showing 0. I think so. Book report, we will see branch. How many books are there left there? You can see a publication, McGraw-Hill here. Okay, there are 10 books available. McGraw-Hill software engineering. Okay, now we can log out from here. Again we will go into the admins module, where we can see admin, login. Now we can see issue report. So this is for Anuj, given to Anuj Patil. Now return book, we can return book again. Let's select book software engineering and hit return book. Book returned successfully. As here we have not, so it is showing return book successfully. As no penalty status is showing no, so we can't see a penalty report because all books are written at a time. Now we will log out. Now let's move towards the testing part of our project, and we will test our project in the test project automation tool, which we have in which we can create our own test, and then it can automatically run the test. Now we can run the test, and it will run automatically. Now it is working. Now we can view book and all the steps we have seen in the previous, means when I was running, all the steps are working here. So now I will stop the test. Okay, now let's see our project report. This is the test project report generated by the test project automation tool, which is showing that the platform created by all this thing last modified by etc. The web application name is library management. All these things, the steps which we have gone through, all these things are shown in this test report. This all this now. Thank you, ma'am. The project, my project presentation has been finished. Thank you.